you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Very good morning to you and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney, Australia. Now, Australian shares are expected to edge up at the open this morning, likely tracking gains on Wall Street, though the local central bank signals on more tightening ahead and current decade-high rate hikes could dampen investor sentiments. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.4% gain. The benchmark closed 0.5% lower yesterday. Looking to business news now, and the Fortescue Metals Group has signed an agreement with the Gabonese government for the Belinga Iron Ore Project located in the West African nation. That would see first mining in the second half of 2023. Moving on, and the Suncorp Group forecast headwinds from higher reinsurance and natural hazard costs in the near term, while its first half cash earnings rose 63%, helped by strong underlying margins and positive investment returns. For the first half ending 31st of December, they released a provision of $150 million for potential business interruption claims. That boosted the insurer's half-year cash earnings to $588 million, up from $361 million a year ago. However, that missed a UBS estimate of $674 million. Suncorp said it received around 53,000 claims related to weather events during the period, leading the group to exceed its natural hazard allowance by $99 million. Suncorp announced the sale of its banking arm to the Australian-New Zealand Banking Group last year. They declared an interim dividend of 33 cents per share, and that's up from 23 cents per share last year. And Boral net profit from continuing operations is up 53% to $56.8 million in the 6 months to December, lifting earnings per share to 5.1 cents. That's 50% higher than in the prior period. On a statutory basis, net profit was 91% lower to $89.5 million for the 6-month period. Boral expects the second half of financial year 2023 EBIT to be broadly in line with the first half of financial year 2023. The company decided not to pay an interim dividend to free cash flow. It's time for a break now. Stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from Anchor to Zero Coin.
Welcome back. It's Rachel here with the ASX at Breakfast report. Now, after the Reserve Bank of Australia's move yesterday to increase the cash rate target by 25 basis points to 3.35%, Australian bank shares were trading lower. The CBA, the NAB and Westpac traded down 0.6%. and ANZ fell 0.1%, dragging the financial sector to a 0.3% intraday decline. Over in the US, overnight, the S&P 500 was up 1.3%, while the Nasdaq Composite gained 1.9%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.8%. Across the Atlantic, European markets closed mixed. London's FTSE added 0.4%, Frankfurt lost 0.2%, and Paris closed 0.1% lower. With oil and Brent crude rose 1% to $80.72 a barrel, and spot gold also rose 0.2% to $1,868 an ounce. Well, that's all for our ASX at Breakfast report this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.